Power is not meant to frighten someone but to protect them. Jai Hind everyone, this is Nana and topic of my today's lecture is ragging. Ragging is an aggressive act that is done by a senior to his juniors and freshers. Whenever a senior uses his position to harass juniors, it is not leadership. It shows the misuse of power. Um, but the true leadership is built on the respect, empathy, and guidance. Ragging has become a serious concern in India in the recent year, as we have seen the case of J.S. Siddharthan from the Kerala Veterinary University who has died in 2024, and there are so many cases we have seen in India. Ragging has deep effects on students. It leads to the loss of self confidence, anxiety, depression, and academic decline. Instead of helping others and creating a normal environment, ragging creates a bad environment, unhealthy environment where fear becomes stronger than friendship. Educational institutions are meant for shaping the minds, not to shatter them. Recognizing the problem, the Supreme Court of India has considered the ragging as a crime of offension. The UGC Regulation 2009 has mandated the anti-ragging committees anti-ragging committees, CCTV surveillance, 24 into 7 helplines, and strict disciplinary rule including suspension, rustication, or even jail, and mandatory affidavits. But ragging is not controlled by only law. Seniors have to understand that they should act as mentors, not as a tormentors. The goal of any institution, whether it is a college or a military, should be a camaraderie, respect, and teamwork. But ragging includes none of the three. At last, I would like to say that um, a strong nation is built on its youth when it come together, support each other, and grow together. Thank you, Jai Hind.